Do you want more traffic? Don't answer that question. I know it's obvious. Everybody wants more traffic. Traffic is, after all, the lifeblood of any online business. You have to have traffic if you're going to make a living online. And I am prepared to show you a brand new software, which honestly I wasn't even going to bother with because it's kind of been played out, I thought, until I saw this thing. This thing is like so the easiest thing I've ever seen, and I was super excited when I saw it. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming up in my review of Orb. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull one look successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you are not new, you know the drill by now. Go ahead and skip ahead. I know that my jokes, well, they can be as boring as the burger I had in Pittsburgh. I was in Pittsburgh this past weekend, which is why I didn't post a video for a while, and had a burger there. And frankly, it wasn't very good. I don't know. I guess I'm a snob for burgers. What can I say? But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. So make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap. Okay, seriously, Bart? Now, where were you when I was in Pittsburgh and eating that awful burger? You could have been there to tell me, but no, you only show up on my videos. The guy only shows up to complain about me. Why can't he complain about this lousy restaurant that I stopped at, huh? Huh? Seriously, if you are new to the channel, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. Who can get angry at Liz? She's a fellow New Yorker. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure if you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Orb. This is a new software from my friend Bobby Dolce. Now, Bobby, I have a very special affinity for. He's the guy who helped me get started in this business. When I first got into this, I didn't know anything, I didn't know anybody, and I was trying to put together my own course, Local Video Jackpot, which ended up being a huge hit. Bobby got me hooked up with Trevor Carr, and the three of us launched Local Video Jackpot together, and it was a tremendous hit. Now, Bobby, of course, has been doing this for a number of years. He's been really good at this, the whole online thing. Now, I want to show you, though, the software that he's got for you in just a second. Before I do want to tell you about my custom bonuses, because as always, I do have the best custom bonuses. So first and foremost, every single person who picks up Orb from me is automatically going to get a free shout out on my own Instagram. I'm actually going to show you the Instagram that I'm using. By the way, it has about 6,700 followers right now. I'm going to show it to you in just a few minutes. You can see I give everybody a shout out that picks this up from me completely for free. And by the way, I'm going to show you how to get it for $9.95. If you stick with me, I'll show you. It's usually $12.95. I'm going to show you how to get for $9.95. Super cheap. Okay, so the other thing I'm going to give you is my inspirational quote videos, plus my inspirational quote pack, all ready for Instagram. Okay, plus I'm going to give my Rolodex showing you how to get more content for Instagram completely for free. All right. Pick up any upgrade to this software, and you will also get PLR to my own graphic supremacy. If you pick up any 2 upgrades, I am going to give you a free copy of Boost Opt-in, which is my award-winning software for getting better emails, and you can actually use it together with Instagram, by the way. You can just put in your link inside your Instagram bio and actually use it together with Instagram, so you can actually capture the best emails possible from Instagram once you start using the software. This thing is super simple to use, by the way, which is really the reason that I'm promoting it, because I just was blown away how easy this thing is to do. Okay, and yeah, so let's go ahead and check out the members area real quick. Over here, you can see here, this is the members area, just your basic members area on ClickFunnels, nothing super exciting. They are giving you all these things. They're nice. You get all the Thrive Architect stuff, which is nice. They're giving it to you for free. And that's basically a really big deal, by the way. Okay. But basically the software works on Instagram, but it's not like the usual Instagram software that we usually see. You know, most of them, you have a separate website you got to log into, and you got to figure out how to connect it to Instagram. It's a whole production to do. It's a pain in the neck. I can't stand these things. I never use them. This software is super easy. Basically, you're just going to download a Chrome extension. Once you do that, I can show you here on Chrome. You can see here I have Orb installed. Okay, and when you go to Instagram, it's super simple. So here's the Instagram that I have. Let me see here if I can see if I can show you how many followers we have here. And it's not my own name, obviously. We have 6,651 followers. Okay, yes, it's not my face, not my face, not my name. And oh, I'm also going to show you how to get one of these for very cheap, by the way. But anyway, but that's not what's important here. So let's go ahead and just search for, say, Jono Armstrong. Okay, Jono is one of the biggest names in the industry, obviously. All right, and we can see he has 9,000 followers. All right, so what we can do is like this. You can actually just open these up, and then we're going to go to the Orb extension. All right, and click Start. And it automatically starts to follow people. That's it. That's all you got to do. And when you follow people, they automatically start following you. You follow them, etc., and you start building up a presence here on Instagram. It's the easiest thing imaginable to use this software. It's so simple, and it's specifically designed so that it won't violate Instagram's rules. If you're familiar with a lot of other software that's designed to let you follow people, a lot of them basically they will go ahead and do something where you're going to get banned from Instagram. Okay, when you do it here, you don't get banned because let me stop this right now. Okay, when you do it through this software, you don't get banned because it's designed specifically to follow Instagram's rules, so that you never have to worry. If we click here again for Orb, you can also see that they also have the option to message people. You can actually just put together a message instantly that you can send to anybody who you're following, or you know, like, hey, I want to introduce myself. Now, don't be spammy about it. Don't write, hey, I've got this great thing, are you interested in buying it? Okay, just say, hey, I want to introduce myself, you know, something like that. That's pretty innocuous, that you're going to actually sound like a real person. Okay, people buy from people. They don't buy from spammers. It rarely works when you do spam, so just use it for real things. But what I love is the simplicity of this software. You know, it's not like the usual stuff where you have this whole chart and it's like you got to follow everything. It's a whole production to follow these things. This thing is the simplest thing imaginable. I loved the fact that it was so easy to use the software, and that's why I was so excited about it. Now let me show you real quick how to get this is the sales page. Let me reload the sales page real quick. Okay, if you try to exit the sales page, then you're going to get this pop-up. 3 off Orb is the discount code you want to be using, and it's going to punch that in to inside of Warrior Plus. So let me show you how that works real quick. Okay, looks like it's because it's about to launch. That's why. So you won't be able to actually purchase it until launch. I'm recording this just before launch, so that's why it's not letting me do that. But basically, you're going to punch in that that code 3 off Orb, and you'll be able to get for $3 off, which is going to take it to just $9.95 instead of $12.95. All right. The exact same software, obviously, no changes at all. $9.95 for the whole business. All right. So let's see if I'm going to give it to Matt's product grader or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously, you demand. You know what? I wasn't going to talk about this thing because I was like, another Instagram software, who needs it? But then I saw it. I saw how incredibly simple and easy the software is to use, and I was like, this thing is cool. I like the fact that it's super easy to use. That's why I'm recommending it. That's why I'm giving you such an amazing bonus. Grab this one. This one is good. You're going to love it.